Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp at home. First, select your shrimp. Whether fresh or frozen, ensure they are peeled and deveined for convenience. If using frozen, thaw them under cold, running water for about 10 minutes. This quick thaw prepares them for cooking. Crucially, pat your shrimp thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is essential for achieving a beautiful sear and preventing a steam texture. Now, let's get those shrimp seasoned. A simple blend of salt, black pepper, and garlic powder works wonders, enhancing their natural flavor. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil shimmers, add your shrimp in a single layer. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn a vibrant pink and are opaque throughout. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. To elevate the flavor, finish your perfectly cooked shrimp with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley. These bright additions complement the rich shrimp beautifully. Serve your delicious shrimp immediately alongside pasta, rice, or a crisp green salad for a complete meal. Remember, the key to tender shrimp is not to overcook them. They cook very quickly, so keep a close eye on them for the best results. For an even better sear and consistent cooking, consider using a cast iron skillet. Its heat retention is fantastic for shrimp. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. They're great cold in salads or gently reheated. And speaking of meal prep, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals to help you in the kitchen. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.